go into Marshall's and see what they have. Hopefully they have restocked everything. Okay, first thing I see is this 7-day set. So it's 7 pieces for $10 and you get all of those. They have a few of them. And then I also found this, which I don't have this one, or Coco doesn't have this one. $8 for that. Well, y'all look, I'm gonna move all of this stuff so we can see it. I have a smaller version of this and it came with like a brush and a scrunchie or something, but it's a big mirror, $5, and that's huge. Look, someone stole the lashes. Like, people, what are y'all doing? We've got a cute Hello Kitty mirror. My sister would love this. It's gonna be $15. We have regular sized makeup erasers for $7. Oh, y'all, Tiger Balm. If you're ever in any pain or sore joints or whatever, get Tiger Balm. Randomly, $20, 10-piece best-selling brush set. Sponge. Okay, so you get all of those for $10. And then we've seen this before for your brows. It's going to be in a taupe shade for $10. These are super pretty. I'm surprised that they're still here. $5. That's a good price. And then we have Lisa Simpson, which we didn't have this last time we were here. This is going to be $10 and you get those shades. They have a few of them. We still have these, which I want to pick up. And they had other shades when I was here last time. $17. Oh, back here's the other Simpsons one that I saw before. It's going to be $10 and you get those shades. What is this, y'all? Let's see. Morphe. It's Bronze Show Velvet Matte Pressed Powder in Mocha Moment, and it's gonna be, who knows what it's gonna be, no one knows. We still have these from Benefit. They have a few of them, $10. They have 10 and number 12, and they also have 11. Pretty in the Moment. This is gonna be $5. We still have this blush here for $17, and this Soft Glow blush from Stila, Soul Seduction. Soul is in Korea, $8. We've got some Physicians Formula here, Dewy Blush Elixir for $4. Anastasia for $12. Oh yeah, someone stole this. I remember last time I was here. This is going to be $15 if it existed in Light Plus. And then we have this from Kevin Aqua. It's upside down and overpriced, I can guarantee. $25. Milani, I love Milani, and I feel like I don't show enough of the drugstore brands when we come. $5. Oh, look at this. The child in me, the little girl in me would have loved this. $5 for that one. We have the Morphe foundation in darker shades, and I did love this foundation, the way it worked on my skin and everything I loved. $4. Still have some MAC foundations here. We have a few different shades, and that's gonna be $15. Oh, y'all, we have a Naked concealer. I used to love their concealers too. $7. Morphe SPF. This is Glow Stunner. It's a tinted moisturizer for $4. Oh, we've got some Too Faced. This is new because it wasn't here last time. This is going to be $20. It was hidden by that thing, but $20. Oh, wow. Maximum Plump Lip Injections from Too Faced. $10, and it's going to be in Creamsicle Tickle. We have some MAC foundations in here. It looks like there's a few different shades for $8. Florence by Meals. This is $4, and it's a concealer. Oh, look at this. Princess. $7. Looks like it's missing its box. That's pretty. Coco would love that, y'all. The girls are at school right now. I'm going to go pick them up when I'm done here. Okay, we also have this for $5. Super Mattifying Gel. We have these Princess lipsticks also. These are going to be $4. Looks like they have the same 2 shades. Oh, we got some Morphe blush here. So these are some new things. $6, Playful Pink. And then some more Simpsons stuff. This is going to be $5 with those shades. We have the Naked Honey and the Wild West. They're both going to be $25. So those shades and those shades. We have a Cheetos palette. I haven't seen this one before. $6. Honestly, I actually like those shades a lot. I'm surprised. I do like them. They have a little paw print there. Then we have this Cara here. I like the packaging there. You get those shades for $4, and it looks like they have more magazines. Last time we were here, I think they only had this magazine, and it was $8. You get these shades. And now we also have this magazine, also $8 with those shades. What is this from Revolution? They have a few of them from Alexis Stone. That's disgusting, but that's what it looks like. Then we have these from Cara, Loving the Ride, Keep on Rolling, Easy Cruising, which we've seen. And this, which we've seen in Los Angeles, so nothing new there. So they restocked on The Simpsons. So we have Maggie, we have Bart, and it looks like Lisa is over here too. Yep, so, oh, this is a face palette. So you only get 2 shades there. This is eyeshadow, and then the Maggie one is eyeshadow. Okay, then we have the newest Naked palette that's come out, and we have the Peach palette, $25 for those. Those shades there. And those shades there. They're really coming through with the Disney stuff. So we have this one, Villains, Not mad at it. $7 and you get these shades. Oh, and then we have a little mini naked Wild West here for $13. Looks like they've really restocked since the last time I was here, which was only a couple days ago. This is another Cara palette, which we've seen in the past. $10. We have the Sephora palettes that we've seen for a long time now also for $6. Bunch of e.l.f. palettes here, little duos for $4. Okay, we randomly have a little Pat McGrath here for $8. That's a good price because I think they're like normally $20 or $25. Then we have some Better Than Sex mascara for $15. We have the Brow Styler here for $10. We have a bunch more of the bronzers, so they are stocked up there. And then we have some e.l.f. Camo CC for $5. Revolution lip kit here for $4. And then it looks like they're fully stocked on Zoeva brushes. So we have a face paint brush for $6. We have a face finish brush for $6. We have a brush liner for $3. Hard to see it though. We have a little small fan brush for $3. And then we have this one here. And this is supposed to be a powder fusion brush for $5. So I don't want to go through all of them because we do have a ton. But Smoky Shader is going to be $4. We have an eyeliner smudge brush here for $4. Just a bunch of brushes. I don't want to go through them because that will take me forever and this will be a long video, but we do have a ton going from $3 to $5, $3 to $6 actually. This Revolution brush is actually really pretty. This is going to be $4. We have another face painting brush here for $6. That's pretty. Oh, look at this one. This is going to be a dual fiber, right? Oh, a buffer brush, $6. Okay, Revolution is coming through with the brushes too. Look at that double-ended create your own look. $3 for that. We've got some Star Wars brushes, which I saw at TJ Maxx recently. $4 for those. And we have some more of the Zoevas up here. They have a ton. What's this? Oh, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. That's cute. $5 for that. I think I've seen these at Five and Below. Okay, I had to show you this brush. These are so pretty. I don't know the quality, but $5. These are really pretty. I don't generally like the double-ended because I don't know how to store them, but this is really pretty with like the rose gold and the pink. Then over here, I found a lip scrub from Kapari. This is going to be $8. I feel like that's a good deal. And then I saw something else. What else did I see? Oh, maybe it was just this MAC lipstick that I thought I saw, and that was great. $8, $8.99 for that. I have a lot of Burt's Bees and these sets and things like this. Okay, I have to go because I have to get the girls from school. And I don't want to be late for that. Just wanted to show y'all really quick. And then I also realized when I was walking in, what happened to our normal intro? I completely lost the normal intro because I'm like not in the makeup room doing the normal thing that, you know, like my normal setup. So when I'm walking into the store, I'm just like, hey, we're in Marshall's, we're in TJ Maxx, we're in wherever. That's what we need today. And I'm not doing my normal thing, so I'm sorry. Hey, everybody, we're back. My name's Janet. Coco's at school. Click the subscribe button. If you're not new, wait, what is it? Where did I park? Click the subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. That's what it was. That's what it was. It's been so long that I've almost lost it. People are staring at me because I look like a crazy person, okay? Anyway, I feel good because I've become a little bit more productive and getting my life together, but now I actually really have to go. So love y'all. Thank you so much. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, all those good things. Please subscribe, please comment, and please like the video. It helps me, please, people. Okay, I really have to go this time, and I'm lost.